so welcome to the Switch Lab. We're going to take a little walk through all of our lab space. You can have a look and see how it looks. So we're walking now into our main lab. We have 1, 2, 3 bays where people have their individual benches, and we have some communal equipment along there as well. On the other side we have smaller labs for specific activities. Give us a wave, Joelle. Hi. So this is our electrophoresis space. Next door to this we have a room for chromatography and PCR. So at the far end there we have the Switch qPCR equipment, and along the wall here we have actor purifiers for fast performance liquid chromatography for purifying proteins. The next lab along the side here is our bacterial lab. Hi guys, making a movie, wave to the camera. There's Rob, postdoc, technician. So this is our bacterial lab where we have behind the guys laminar flow, large shakers for growing bacteria. On the other side we have a nice centrifuge, we have sonicating equipment for lysing the cells, a little bit of bench space. Thank you. Moving along into the next lab, here we have not such an exciting room, but a little lab full of centrifuges. Moving along a little bit more, here we have a lab where for chemical prep, so where all of our solutions are made. So we're keeping our chemicals along the side here. There's Katerina making some buffers. We have fume hoods and more weighing areas along the corner. Okay, moving on. Here we have a small room where the dishwasher and the autoclave are standing. And here is a special room for all of our waste, so for glass waste, biohazard waste and so on. Okay, then moving on down the corridor, we're coming to the biophysics lab. Welcome to the biophysics lab. The equipment along the side here belongs to another group. The equipment in the rest of the room is belonging to Switch. So along here we have our plate readers. These have fluorescent, absorbance and luminescence capabilities. Okay, here we have a nanodrop which we're using for measuring DNA, protein, peptide concentrations. In the corner here is our FTIR. And along the back here is DLS plate reader, Monolith NT automated from Nanotemper, and Octatred 96 from Portavio. And along the back here we have the Uncor from Unchained Labs, the SecMol system in the corner. We have a TCAN scanning device here. And here, with part of it on the floor, we have Bioraptor from Diagonode. We're going to have a little look in the Switch cell culture lab. So here we have 3 laminar flows, we have a microscope on the end, and here we have the workbench. So here are the CO2 incubators, centrifuge, fridges and freezers, and so on. Here is the Switch peptide synthesis lab. So we have peptide synthesizer standing here. We have fume hood, chemical storage. Then on the end there we have a centrivap, so a device for concentrating proteins that are in non-aqueous buffers. Here we have the LCMS system. Here we have a comparative HPLC system, and on the end we have a freeze dryer. So basically in here we have all the things that we need to produce and do some characterization for our own peptides. Now we'll walk around a little bit more, so we're going back past peptide synthesis on this side, back past biophysics on this side. And in this main corridor here, I'm just going to let you have a little look at the small social space that we have. So we have offices all along this side, and over here we have social space. Obviously with the COVID restrictions at the moment, use of this is limited, but this is our social space here. Little look in our kitchen where the sun is shining. And there we go. And turn around and come back towards the labs again. And then coming down our corridor here, past the printer. Okay, then This is the corridor where all the switch offices are. So this is the office of Frey, where he is not sitting at the moment. This is the office of Joost. And the next one along is the main switch office. So we can see all the people sitting in the office. There's my desk there in the corner, sort of little admin area.
Dat ze niet heel erg inclusief zijn.